Hi everyone, I'm August, and this week I did a really simple swipe. I used a black faux pillow. I put a few swipes through there, did a few embellishments. It's super simple, but I really like the look of it. There's a ton of negative space. Really simple to do, but really cool results you can get with it. So I used a round board. I put my white house paint pillow and my pouring medium, cell activator, all those recipes are in the description below. I put a white house paint pillow down, and then I loaded up this big scooper with my black paint that's going to be used for my faux pillow or my fake pillow. I didn't have a colored pillow, so I have to put color on top to make my background with whatever color I want it. With the faux pillow, I'm using the exact same pouring medium recipe, same consistency, same everything. I loaded up this palette knife. Now remember to put more than you think you need. You don't want to run out. So when you're transferring this faux pillow onto your white pillow, you don't want to run out halfway through, and you can scrape whatever's left back into your cup, reuse it. When you're doing the faux pillow, make sure you're getting your scooper as close as you can to your pillow. Obviously don't put it in your pillow, as close as you can to your pillow so that you don't get air bubbles. It's really going to reduce the amount of air bubbles. If you're holding this up high and letting that faux pillow paint drip onto your regular pillow, you're going to get a ton of air bubbles. So after I did that, I put some lines of color down going across the board. Came in with another palette knife, put a SHELEE Art Cell Activator on the back of it, swiped through that, and then use this embellishment tool to make a few designs through it. Now, when you're using the embellishment tool, make sure you're doing one fluid motion. Don't start and stop, because you will see that in your final piece when you spin it out. Your lines will look a little bit distorted. So focus on one fluid motion. If you don't like it, scrape it and try it again. So this is similar to one I've done previously. The difference is I added a few more lines of color, and I only used 2 colors on these lines. I swiped over these with a different color cell activator because I wanted this main swipe in the middle to be the focal point. Swiped over those with a black cell activator, spun it out. Super simple. You can get different results based on how you're doing those embellishments, the colors you use, the faux pillow color you use. So just the sky's the limit. These are super fun. Probably one of my favorite to do. As always, Creations with Tanya and Grandma Kathy's Art Venture are premiering directly after me. Their channels, videos, everything is in the description below. So please check them out. I appreciate you being here, and I hope you have an excellent day.